In this video, we are going to look at the advantages of being a certified user on the MetroBrokersOnline.com website. To begin with, you will need to meet two criteria in order to be a certified user. The first one is that you must have IDX approval from your MLS source or sources. Most MLS sources do not charge for this, however, some do. So you will need to contact your MLS provider in order to get their approval and find out if there are any fees associated with this. And the second requirement is that you must attend a certified website certification class offered by Metro Brokers Corporate, and you can contact the corporate office or check on the message board to find out when the next certification course is being held. Here I have two websites up. One is the demo agent, which is set up as a certified user, and the other is just a regular agent site. And this is the consumer side. I want you to see the difference between the two. This is the regular agent site, and here we have the certified user. And the biggest difference here is this property search box is available only on the certified user site. In addition to the property search, there's this email alert tab where a consumer can come, click on email alerts, and they can save search criteria and then get daily or weekly alerts to new properties that match their search criteria. When that happens, that consumer becomes the property of that certified agent. Anyone who searches property through this certified site is going to belong to the certified site agent, and every listing that they view will be represented by that agent. In addition, the certified agent is also put on the random lead rotation for any leads that are generated from the broker site. So if a consumer goes to MetroBrokersOnline.com, they're not attached to a Metro Broker agent already, then when they request more information or sign themselves up for email alerts, that lead is randomly set to one of the certified users. And if you go back over here on this regular agent site, there is no property search function on this site, and there is no way for a consumer to sign themselves up for email alerts. And I am also already logged into the back end of these two sites, so I'm going to go ahead and go over to the back end of this regular agent site. And here we are on the My Website tab. And the same thing for the certified user. I'm going to go to the back end that I'm already logged into, and I'm already on the My Website tab. And if I scroll down to these tabs over here on the left and kind of line them up side by side, I want you to see there's a couple of differences here. On the certified user site, there's this additional tab called Email Template. And when a consumer signs up for email alerts, they automatically receive this email from the certified agent. And if the certified agent doesn't like the verbiage on this or has something specific that they want to say to people when they sign up on their site, then they can come in here, click on this tab, and make changes in here and save them. And that will customize this email that goes out. Another additional tab that they have is this one right above the email template, which is additional pages. So the certified user is able to add additional pages to their agent site. And here you can see you can add an additional page. You can reorder your pages. The demo site has 3 different additional pages added, and you can either edit or delete them. You can title your additional pages whatever you want to call them. I'm just going to toggle back over to this certified user site and show you over here. My Business Partners is what we call the additional pages, and if I click on that, it has a list of these additional pages, and they can click on it and see those pages that we went in and set up. So that is another advantage to being a certified user. And then if we come back over here and look at these tabs that go along the top, and if I put the certified user kind of below the regular user, you can start to see that there are some differences there as well. Here we have the power search function that the certified user has. So I'm going to click on that and show that to you. I'm just going to move this up so you can see it better. Here is where the power search function is. And this is where the certified user can go in and set up search criteria over here. And then they can save this search as a saved search, which then they can set up as a daily or weekly email alert for a consumer. If I go up here to the saved search tab, it's going to give me a list of all of my saved searches. So here they are, and I can go in and hit the search button and see what those listings are. I can email this search to someone. I can cancel a listing alert because this one is set up for this consumer to get an alert. I can edit this alert and I can delete it. And you can see down here it says daily listing alert is currently activated. So I can tell whether it's daily or weekly. If it's not activated, then I can come over here and say activate daily listing alert or activate weekly listing alert. So this is how I would manage my saved searches. And if any of my consumers then went in and they have the ability to favorite certain listings on the site, when I click on the My Favorites tab, it's going to show me any of the consumers that have saved listings in a favorites. And I don't have anyone in here right now, so that's not going to show me anything. And then the power search settings, this is where I can choose from these available fields and add to my fields. And whatever is in my fields, this is what my customers are going to see when they get their listing alerts. Each listing will show each one of these features or fields. And I can either remove some of these or add some of these. I can customize it the way that I want it to be. So that is the power search function. Another additional tab that the certified user has is under newsletter. As a certified user, I have the ability to create a newsletter from my agent site. And here's the create newsletter tab. I'm going to go to preview one of these so you can see what one of the newsletters looks like. There's several different templates that you can choose from that have different color themes. And they pull over all of my agent information automatically. And then they have these little boxes that you can then type in here and put in your own information. So that is the newsletter function. And of course, you can preview each one, print, email, submit a farm. I'm not sure what activities is. Oh, there's no farms for this, so that's what it's going to say. Let's go back to newsletter. You can edit it and you can delete it. Then I'm going to scroll over here. We also have the Media Center is on both sites, but we have the capability to make a flyer from any of the listings that are showing on our agent site. And here is a list of all of my flyers. I can create a flyer by clicking this tab over here. This is pretty much the same thing. I can view, print, email, submit farms, edit and delete. Let's just view this flyer. There are numerous templates that you can choose from that have different color themes. And what happens is that you can select which photos you want to pull over to this flyer. And it will pull over the information on the listing. It'll pull over all of your broker information. And your flyer is pretty much pre-done for you. It's very simple to use. Another difference is both sites have SEO tags. But on the certified site, you are going to be able to do search engine optimization for your, not only for your home page, which the other site has, but also for this list search page. So the page where the consumer goes to search for properties, that is the list search page. And so you can do some search engine optimization for that page as well. And this drip marketing is also an additional function on the certified site. And this is where I can add a farm. So I can take any Excel spreadsheet and upload it to this portion of my agent site, and it's going to save all of that information. And this is the way that I can email out my newsletter and my flyers. So you can have more than one farm, or group. So this is a really handy and convenient way to manage that. So pretty much we have gone through the basic differences. We've talked about the web lead rotation, additional pages, the ability to search from your agent's site. It's part of your membership fees. There's no extra charge to you for this service. You can create email alerts, and you have the power search function, the ability to do drip marketing. You are the presenting broker on all the listings that a consumer views from your agent's site. There's additional search engine optimization features within the certified user site. So it's highly advantageous for you to become a certified user. And we really hope that you take advantage of this great benefit. Thank you for watching.